brown skin, lot of mercy. Tell me something, something. Put that body on me, and when I see you, baby, no lie, never leave you lonely. And when you move slow, oh my. Hi guys, so I am bringing you a sponsor, and this sponsor is iMethod. And iMethod is a company that are for your brows, your eyelashes, to enhance your makeup. So here they sent me some stampers, a left and a right. So let me go ahead and pin my hair up so I can show you exactly what this product will do. So this is a stamper, and you just stamper your wing. And what I love, guys, on the end of the pen, it is your eyeliner. So it's just like a two-in-one. You are getting your wing and you can line your eyes at the same time. And this liner, guys, yes, you can go ahead and line the bottom of your eyes. And this is just absolutely perfect, especially for me. So, guys, you know, when it comes down to wings, it's hard to get the wings right, but with this, it is a perfect wing, and it's just a stamp. So let me go ahead and give you, you know, that before, and now here's the other. Yes, my eyes are so pretty. I just pop on some lashes, and here are my wings, and they are so beautiful. So I met you. Thank you for reaching out to your girl, and guys, it is time to go into the video. Hello guys, and welcome back. I am Vondessa J. If you are new to my home, and if you're returning, hello, hi, and welcome. Well, today guys, we are going to our second part of decorating for the fall, and today it is our dining room. So guys, I want to come bring you along with me as I decorate our dining room for the fall 2022. no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. One day you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I cannot see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Ooh, you played me dirty, you gave me so bad. You toyed with my affliction, had to fill up my prescription. Found a remedy, I had to set you free. Away from me to see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to leave, I had to live, I had to leave. If I can't have you, let love set you free to fly your pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings around. Yeah, I came wrong, you were right. Transform your love into light. Baby, believe me, I'm sorry I told you lies. Now I turn days into nights, sleep till I died 1,000 times. I should have told you better nights, better times, better days. And I miss you. If I can't have you, let love set you free to fly your pretty wings, your pretty wings, pretty wings around. If I can't have you, let love set you free to fly your pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings around. Yeah, I came wrong, you were right. Transform your love into light. Baby, believe me, I'm sorry I told you lies. Now I turn days into nights, sleep till I died 1,000 times. I should have told you better nights, better times, better days. And I miss you. If I can't have you, let love set you free to fly your pretty wings, your pretty wings, pretty wings, pretty wings around. Pretty wings around. Your pretty wings around.
So guys, hopefully you did enjoy decorating also slightly with me for our dining room. I'm absolutely loving the blue, and of course you see your girl is rocking blue. Had to go buy blue because you know your girl don't do blue. So I absolutely love this. It is screaming so much fall to me with the blue flowers, and it's situated with the gold. I am so loving it. So I'm gonna kind of like wind down some of the places where I did purchase things from. As you know, I shop so much on a budget, but you can shop on a budget and still have your things absolutely so beautiful. So this is my element of cheap but elegant, yet so beautiful. So guys, I also want to thank iMethod from the beginning of this video. iMethod, thank you so much for reaching out to me to show this product to y'all guys. I absolutely love it. Let me bring you closer. So I do like the little wing on it. It is so cute. The wings are cute. You know we love our wings. So guys, iMethod, thank you so much for reaching out to your girl. So guys, this is our fall dining room for 2022. And remember guys, I am not finished. We still have the breakfast room. We still have the kitchen. We still have the front porch, the entryway, the guest bathroom. And I'm gonna tidy up our back patio. So I've already given you the living room, and if you have not seen the living room, look right here in the icons or look at the end of this video and it will pop up for you. So guys, thank you so much for coming and rocking with your girl once again. And you know it is about that time. It's about that time. Thank you. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out. Tell a neighbor, tell a friend, tell anybody that's in home decor or looking to do home decor. We get ready to go on this thing, guys, to get on the road the end of this month because I have a client and I am going to take you into her home and show you what I can do in her home. And boy, I am ready for this transformation because sis, I'm talking about you. It's gonna be a transformation. So guys, you know what I would say at the end of my videos, I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys, bye.
You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know in that holiday that could only mean one thing. And I know in that holiday that could only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows that I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor, hanging with some girls I've never seen before. Oh no, 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 skin dance. Your skin just like this. Me and